Guys, and welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be doing another scooter video. So yes, this is for you, Noah, Shelby's boyfriend. You said you liked these videos, so I'm just making another one. So hope you enjoy it. I'll replay when I'm done setting it up. Alright, I'm going now. Come on, stupid thing. There we go, now it's on. I just had to hit the reset button. Whenever I go up too high of a hill, it just automatically turns off for some reason. Come on. Okay, there we go. I don't know why. Sorry if that's interrupting your video, guys. Oh, there was a hole in the ground. Oh. Okay, we're back up. I just had to trim some of the video. Helicopter over there. Probably a hornet's nest because there's holes on it too. Oh, that's weird. I just found out that the switch just turned itself off. Maybe it's low on battery. That's all for now, guys, and peace out, my dudes.